Welcome back, everyone, to Fox West Texas Live at 9. We're glad that you're here. We also had another tropical system, this one closer to home. Of course, no impacts here in West Texas. That rolled through around 11:30 this morning. This is what's left of what was Tropical Storm Fernand. It rolled far south Texas, really northeastern Mexico, providing a lot of rain for parts of Corpus down to Brownsville, as far west as Laredo. That is where the heaviest rain was. We saw winds upwards of 39 miles per hour, 39 to 73 miles per hour. That constitutes a tropical storm, very much on the low end. No major concerns of flooding or storm surge, certainly nothing like what we saw with Hurricane Dorian, which we'll give an update to you just in a second. But right now, winds are about 35 miles per hour. It's a depression, and it continues to move to the west-northwest about 9 miles per hour. This will not have an impact in West Texas, although this time of year, there have been times where we've been fortunate to get some moisture from tropical systems, but they generally don't come from the Atlantic. They come from the northern Pacific. Outside today, my forecast called for a high of 97. We got 8 days correct since I left you on Friday. So we'll continue with that trend now with these numbers, because the heat, that's really the story for us moving forward. And this is not a rarity. We've seen triple digits in September before. 99 degrees tomorrow, 100 on Friday, 100 on Saturday, 99 on Sunday. So yeah, certainly very hot next couple of days. Winds will be from the southwest, relatively calm. So I don't have that adding to the fire concerns, although we are talking fire danger, of course, because we haven't any substantial rainfall. But the next chance of rain, maybe, just maybe, will come into the picture as we head through Tuesday and Wednesday of next week with a little bit more cloud cover and temperatures back into the middle 90s. Of course, the big weather story continues to be the impacts of what is Hurricane Dorian. You can see the eye there. You see kind of how it wobbles out there in the beginning of the frame there? That generally means a little bit of weakening with the storm. And then it was quick to kind of rebuild itself back up. And so I do forecast that this will become a little stronger as it moves to the north. Right now, Category 2, winds are at 110. It's moving to the north at 8 miles per hour. It's about 120 to 125 miles per hour, or 125 miles from Jacksonville, Florida. The actual center of the storm, of course, where the winds are the strongest, is still 130 miles south of Charleston, South Carolina. The National Hurricane Center does have it staying as a Category 2 storm. The concern when we get hugging the coast like this, these storms, when they move on land, they weaken. When they stay in the water like this, they can maintain their strength. And then we can still see the impacts from this hurricane along the coastal sections of the Carolinas. And that looks to be the case before we get into about Friday and Saturday, until it begins to move up into the northern Atlantic and into parts of Nova Scotia. So that's the forecast there. We'll, of course, keep you posted, and I'll let you know a little bit more about the concerns moving forward coming up in my next report. In the meantime, 68, mainly clear overnight tonight. Tomorrow, temperatures above average for this time of year, but still mostly sunny, right around 100 degrees. Guys.